All right, listen up. What if I told you that for less than $100, you could unlock a proven money-making system that's helped over 10,000 people all across the globe make their first dollar online? No gimmicks, no fluff, just proven and documented results. I'm talking about a done-for-you business that lets you work from home, all on your schedule, with nothing but your phone or a laptop. You don't need experience, and you don't need to be a tech wizard. You see, there's an easy way to make daily commissions from home that's been right under your nose, and you probably don't even know about it. It's called sharing affiliate links. Right now, there's major brands and companies that are paying people to simply share their links. And it's 3 easy steps to do this. 1, get your link. 2, share your link. 3, make money. And yeah, it's really that simple. This is what the so-called gurus all over social media don't want you to know. They want you to buy their courses, ebooks, and coaching programs, get you to pay hundreds or thousands of dollars just to learn this information. Then you still have to go create everything on your own, spending hundreds or even thousands more just to have something you can market. Not here. Not with our Elevate My Income system. Not only are we going to give you everything you need to run your business, like sales funnels, email marketing, viral content, and an app to run it all from, and so much more, we're going to show you step by step how to start sharing these affiliate links right from that device you're on in about an hour a day. And yes, you can do this even if you've never made a dime online and failed more times than you can count. All you need is the desire to change your life. Aren't you sick and tired of not getting the results you're after? Are you finally ready? And guess what? We've already done the hard part for you. Here's how it works. We give you sales funnels that do all the selling and telling for you. We give you viral content and marketing strategies that make sharing your affiliate link a breeze. We give you an app worth over $1,800 per month that makes managing your business stupid simple. And get this, we even give you a fully automated email follow-up system that messages all of your leads for you every single day. All you have to do is follow these 3 ridiculously easy steps. 1, get your affiliate link. 2, share your link. 3, watch the commissions roll in. 15, 35, even $70 per sale. And let me be crystal clear, there's no cap on how much you can earn, meaning you can make 1 sale a day or 100 sales a day. And the more sales you make, the more money you will make every month. This is how you can create unlimited residual monthly income. Imagine earning commissions every month on hundreds or even thousands of people, just like having your own gym or Netflix franchise. But with our proven to convert system and it being available all across the globe, you will never run out of people who are willing to throw money at you when they realize how simple it is to make commissions like this. The world is your oyster, and your income is literally limitless. Now, don't even get me started on the value you're getting here. We're talking over $10,000 in free bonuses just for activating your commission system. Bonuses like YouTube University. Learn to scale and monetize your business the right way. This course retails for $500, yours free. Social Mastery Blueprint. Become a TikTok and Facebook pro. This course retails for $700, yours free. Scalability Pro. Learn to scale any online business to 5 figures a month. This course retails for $1,000, yours free. Deep discounted travel. Once you activate your business, you can travel like a pro with discounts up to 70% off retail prices, a 110% price match guarantee, and you can earn points every time you book travel, allowing you over time to travel for free. All of this is yours just for activating your commission system today. Everything you need to start sharing affiliate links and making commissions right now. Finally, something is actually ready to go the moment you sign up without having to purchase anything or get upsold once you're on the inside. No pitching friends and family, and no need to worry about having a social following. This is helping real people get real results, and this could change your life forever.
Hey, Shannon here from Chicago. With this system, I've been able to earn sales each and every week and paychecks every single Friday like clockwork since the day I started. Some days I wake up to over 100 leads, meaning it's going to be a good day. You've been thinking about giving it a shot? Don't hesitate.
My name is Richard. I'm from Mississippi, and with this system, I've been able to generate leads and sales and elevate from one level to the next using this particular system that is given to me 100% free with all of the training that I need. If you're looking for a system that's going to help you generate leads and sales and elevate you, I highly recommend that you get a hold of this system.
Hey, Celeste here from Utah. Using this proven system, I have been able to not only land leads every single week, but I have been able to close sales and get commissions every single month. I tapped in, I followed the easy to follow, simple trainings, and I have had awesome success.
Hey, this is Keith in Georgia. Listen, in my first 2 weeks of using this awesome system, I was able to generate 150 leads and multiple sales simply by following the marketing blueprint. Make a decision to join us today. You will not regret it.
So here's the deal. Stop scrolling. Stop waiting. Stop overthinking. Stop the vicious cycle. Start sharing affiliate links and making money today. The time to take action is now. You're literally getting everything you need to create your success right now. Our proven to convert system, sales funnels that do all the selling and telling for you, viral content and marketing to make sharing your affiliate link a breeze, done for you email marketing that converts your leads into sales, thousands of dollars in free courses and training, and an app to run your entire business from. That's over $10,000 in free value just for activating your business today. Click the link below now. Get started today, and let's build your dream life together. You can easily be sharing affiliate links and creating endless monthly residual commissions in less than an hour from right now. It's time to watch, learn, do, and earn. Click the button below, and we'll see you on the inside in just a few minutes.